Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're going to smoke some cheesy bacon wrapped meatballs. Total cook time, including prep time that you can expect, will be a little under 2 hours. Really, you can customize these however you'd like, but we're going to wrap these meatballs in bacon and fill them with cheddar cheese, then cover them with Blues Hog Smoky Mountain barbecue sauce. In addition to the ground beef, bacon, cheese, and barbecue sauce, you'll also need an egg, some breadcrumbs, milk, barbecue rub, and to season the meatballs we used a blend of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. First thing we need to do is mix the needed ingredients with the meat, which we'll walk you through next.